Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel Justry. So in today's video I am going to be talking about this hair that I have in my head. I know it's gorgeous, it's beautiful, it's fluffy, it's not a wig, it's a sew-in so I can pull on it, and it has a middle part, a lace closure. I received this hair from NADULAHAIR.com, so thank you so much for working with me. I show in the video all the hair that I received and how long it was and how full the bundles were. This is 2 weeks later. I wanted to give a real review, you know, of what I actually thought about the hair. I didn't want to just install the hair and then come on camera and be like, oh, the hair is beautiful, because you know, you don't really know how the hair is. So this is the second week of me having my hair in my head. I did wash it last night. I washed it 2 times since I've had the hair installed in my head. Within the 2 weeks I washed it 2 times, and the curls are still beautiful. They're still luscious. I washed it last night and then I woke up and it was kind of like fluffy, but I just put some water on my hands and kind of just, you know, wet it a little bit just so that it won't be looking super stiff on camera. The hair, it sheds, not a lot. I mean, it's expected because it is curly hair, and if you wear weave, then you know that curly hair tends to shed, because I don't know why, but it does. At first, when I first installed it, I thought that it was just shedding because my stylist, her name is Amira. She lives here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I will leave all of her information down below in the description box. So thank you so much, Amira, for installing my hair. I have gotten so many compliments on it. But I thought that the hair was basically shedding because after she got done sewing my hair, like at the end she had to cut, you know, the extra hair off, and I thought that it was just shedding because of that. But it's not shedding like, oh my god, I have to take this hair out because every time I run my fingers through it, hair is coming out. Like, no hair comes out when you run your fingers through, like I just did that. No hair is coming out. But if you constantly like rubbing your fingers throughout your hair, then of course your hair is going to shed. That's with your natural hair too. Like, your hair is going to shed if you're constantly playing in your hair. So the hair is beautiful. When I wet it, it's beautiful. I'm gonna do a how to style curly hair video, so that'll be my next upload after this video. But I did just want to come on this video and basically just tell you guys my experience with NADULA hair. The hair is gorgeous, like gorgeous. This is the best curly hair that I've ever had. The hair, I got 3 bundles plus my closure, and all together it was about like $130 with all of that. Yeah, $130. Yeah, $130, $120. So that's not bad at all for 3 bundles and a closure. And my closure was a free part closure, but I just wanted to go with the middle part because I just think middle parts look really cute on me with curly hair. A lot of people think that this is my natural hair. Like, that's how gorgeous this hair is. I mean, clearly it's not my natural hair, but I've been getting a lot of questions like, is that your natural hair? Please don't cut your hair. And I'm like, girl, this is not my hair, this is weave. Maybe I'll do like a little demonstration of how the hair looks when you wet it, and then how it looks fluffy. So I'm gonna demonstrate that for you guys in just a moment. So this is how my hair looks before. I'm gonna just do one side and show you the other side. So I'm probably gonna do this side. So I'm taking my spray bottle, it has nothing but water in it, and I'm just gonna spray it. So this is how the hair looks, one side when it's wet and the other side when it's nice and dry. It clearly gets big, so you know you can choose if you want to wear it wet, if you want to wear it nice and big. And this is hair, like I don't have any product in it. The only thing I have is water on this side, and this is just air dry. Like I said, I washed my hair last night. I will tell you guys all the products that I use when I'm trying to define my curls in my next video. So thank you so much, NADULA, for sponsoring this video. This hair is truly beautiful, the best hair that I've got off of Amazon. By the way, got it off of Amazon. I will leave the links to everything down below in the description box. If you are not subscribed, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.